What's going on, you guys? And today I'm be shooting a Pokemon card opening.
Birthday card.
Opening.
Pokemon opening.
Yes, today is my birthday. With my dad.
Ooh.
You've seen him before. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and drop a like. Alright, so technically in all, how many packs do you have, Dad?
Yeah, I don't know. Let's see here. So we got 2 Unified Minds. We got 2 Rebel Clashes. 1 Sword and Shield with the awesome Snorlax Gigantamax that everybody wants. Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. We'll see what that has. And then Evolutions pack. And then 3 Sword and Shield packs. So 3, 5, 7. We got 10 packs each.
So that's 20 packs in all.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm opening up mine. Dad, you can open up your first one.
Alright, I'm gonna start with the let's go for I think what's
Burning
probably
Shadows.
the worst packs in
Pokemon
the
history.
decks. The Burning Shadows, so we'll see what this has in it.
I mean, this is where I think it's either I got, yeah, this one.
Boo.
I mean, I think I got a prism card from that one.
Buffalo. Singapore. Noctowl.
Turn it up
Pansar.
so you can see it.
Magikarp. Rattata. Wimpod. Sorry.
Togedemaru.
Togedemaru.
Magikarp.
Magikarp. Hollow.
Reverse hollow.
Reverse Hollow, sorry. Tangrowth. Steel Energy.
Trash.
As I expected.
Come on. While I open mine, can you?
Yeah, I'll get it ready.
Alright. Which one should I do? I think I'm going to save the Sword and Shield ones for last. Now I'm going to open a Unified Minds pack. Oh, you haven't opened it, right? Is there a Burning Shadows in there?
There is a Burning Shadows in here. That's where mine came from. Should be right there.
Alright, then I'll open a Burning Shadows. So we can get the trash out of the way. Green.
I think they're all green.
Why do you say that?
Because I've never seen a white card out of those packs.
Alright, so we got a Noibat, because it's annoying. Grimer. Riolu. Cutiefly. Dewpider. A Moral. Reverse Hollow. And it's Evolved Force, Shiinotic. And then Fire Energy. Potown. Wabombi, and a Curlia. Trash! Full on, straight hard, trash! Alright. What do you want to open next?
I'm going to open Evolutions, I think.
Oh, you got an
See if we can
Evolutions
get that Charizard Hollow, get another one.
Oh, sure. Yeah, we could. So this is gonna be reverse hollows, and this is gonna be regular cards.
Ooh.
White and green. And this is for QR codes. So set the QR codes right there. Grab these ones too. Oh, we got a coin. Right. Forgot to show that. We got technically 2 Garchomp coins. Right there in camera.
I've seen this one. Mojo. Alright. Charizard Spirit Link. Charmeleon. Super Potion. Sorry. Nidoran. Bonita. Doduo.
Chubby Pikachu, as I call him.
Chubby Pikachu with the yellow cheeks. Staryu.
And?
Ooh. Grass.
Oh! Mega! That's a Mega!
Mega Venusaur EX.
Did you guys know that this Japanese on there means grass vine, and that's his attack right there. Grass vine. Isn't that cool? No?
Pretty dope card.
Alright, my turn.
Good start, second pack. Had really good luck out of evolutions. We got a shiny Charizard the last time, or a hollow.
Charizard, which is actually just finding a Charizard is crazy rare. 3, 2, 1. Alright. We got a Rattata, a Growlithe. I need to do the trick. Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Kakuna. Oh, an Arcanine. Porygon, Misty's Determination, Surfing Pikachu!
Don't bend it like that, nerd.
Surfing
It's actually
Pikachu.
pretty cool.
There's even Flying Pikachu, and it's cool.
Is this the rare?
I guess you could say that.
No, I mean, is it the rare card in the pack? We don't know because you didn't do the trick.
Sorry.
Nerd.
What a nerd.
Happy birthday, dude.
Thank you.
Alright, we'll go to the Unified Minds next. What do you think? Do you think that's a good move?
Yeah. Then we could do
Get the Mew.
Oh,
No. That's the Espeon
Espeon
and
and
Deoxys.
I got
You got the
Snorlax
Lamps
and
and
Lapras.
Lapras.
Oh, by the way, if you guys have Sword and Shield and you don't know, there's that like Zero Aura event. If 1 million people defeat a Zero Aura, you will get a shiny Zero Aura in your Pokemon home. So everybody's trying to find a Zero.
Fire.
You can't see your head, Dad.
Yeah, that'll be alright. They're not missing much.
Type null.
Type null. I don't know what that is.
That is a Strini,
Srini.
Azelf, Pikachu,
There's a cool Pikachu too.
Bidoof,
Bidoof.
Cosmog. I bet you know what that is.
Magmar.
Yep. Cottony, Vigoroth, and a Hollow. I'll take it. It's a Hollow.
Oh yeah, I forgot to do the old
Throw.
Chuck.
Yeet it.
Gallespod Hollow. Cool.
Alright, next is opening this one.
It's a little bit depressing though.
No, these two have a different thing. This is the reverse.
Sorry.
That's all for reverses. I might be also on fire. Come on. Boom.
Another, did you do Unified Minds?
Yeah.
Oh, we got the
1,
Mew,
2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3 to the front, getting rid of the dark energy in the back. You got A. We got A. Unidentified fossil. They'll either turn into Kabuto, Kabutops, or an Aerodactyl. That's funny. No, it's not. Tornadus. I'm just gonna keep that right there.
What's your
Swadaloon. Don't know who that is. Dratini. Fungus. Honedge. Sneasel. Come on. Magmite. Slackoth and Hollow Terrakion. I'll take it.
T-Pain?
Yep, as we call Terracon.
T-Pain.
Terrakion, we call him T-Pain.
Because Pokemon Go, he's a pain in the butt to catch.
So we just call him
My
T-Pain.
last
Unified Mind.
Unified Minds with some Darkion Umbreon
Beyond
action.
I'm gonna go through these and find if there's any energies.
Green card, boo.
Boo. We don't like you.
Alright, 1, 2, 3 to the front, and we got
Fighting energy.
Fighting Energy. Fight the energy. Goodbye,
That is
Cherish Ball.
Yep.
Tag Switch. Bidoof.
Steel energy.
Scroopy. What's his name?
Uh,
Scorpion looking thing.
Scorpie.
Wimpod.
Yeah.
No-
Noipod. Noibat.
Noibat.
Because he's annoying.
Sneasel.
Greninja. Alright.
Garchomp.
I mean, it's a reverse.
Reverse.
You got a coin of that.
And a Tapu Fini. Weak.
I mean, it could do better. If this thing's a green card, then this thing's red. It's 3, 2, 1. It's a green card. It's first. And by the way, we will do a recap at the end of what we have gotten so far. Really nothing. Getting rid of the fairy energy on the back. So we got a Laurentis. Never heard of her. Ooh, we got a Mispirit. I'm just going to put that there because it's a legendary or mythical. Sableye, Stroomish, Drifloon, Dewpider, Craignol, I couldn't say his name for a second, Marini, Drapion, and Necrozma. It's a legendary, so I will take it. Could do better. So what are we going to do, Rebel Clash?
Well, should we do Sword and Shield
Yeah, I'll
since
do
it's the base says?
Let's do Rebel Clash.
Okay, Rebel Clash.
Because I kind of want to do
I don't know who this dude is. Who's that again?
Toxicity.
Toxicity. Green card.
Darn it. Green cards mean nothing. Psychic? Pretty sure. Lombre.
Lombre.
Hatterene. I don't know.
Cursed Shovel. Mediate.
Meditite.
Skunky.
Grubbin.
Wingull. Natu, right? Natu, yeah.
Impidimp. Reverse. Snorlax.
That's pretty cool looking Snorlax.
Impidimp is a reverse.
Normal.
Alright, my first Rebel Clash. I just got the 2 maxed out starters.
Cool.
One of the 2. I think I'm gonna do the Intenion, because nobody kind of chooses him. Not to be rude to anybody who chooses Intenion. It's not my favorite. Watch it be a green card. You wanna bet? Knew it. Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front, getting rid of the dark type energy on the back. Get it?
That's steel, isn't it?
No. Steel is that.
Oh, I know you're right.
So we got a Hatterene. Oh, Corkle. Beware, because you gotta beware of the beware. Honedge. Time Pole looking. Oh, look at him, so depressed. Vullaby. Galarian Corsola. Pokemon sharing awareness of pollution. Toxel. Trubbish, and Wishcash.
My last Rebel Clash pack.
I only got 2, that's
who's
weird.
that?
Intenion.
You only got 2 also.
Yeah.
Intenion? I don't know the new Pokemon.
Scorbunny. This is Scorbunny. The last one, the grass type is Rillaboom, and that one's Intenion. Ooh!
We'll see what kind of fire.
If it might be hollow. You never know.
3.
Oh wait, I forgot to take out the promo code.
Alright. Morphedo. Scoop Up Net. Heracross.
That's a
Snover. Pidove.
Galarian Darumaka.
Darmuka. I just got him in Pokemon Go the other day.
Hadana.
Katina. Scyther, one of my faves. It's a pretty cool card. I haven't seen that one before.
Kobe.
Magmar.
And oh. Is that a full art? That's a full art.
Ooh, it is.
Intenion VMAX.
Intinion VMAX full art. Got the course face. That's a pretty card.
It is. All right. My last Rebel Clash.
That's a pretty good pack.
What is this?
Dig it. You dig.
Oh, hollow. That goes right there. Watch this also be a white garden green. You never know. Like, if it is, I'm gonna be so happy. And it's grass type. First grass type, actually. I actually like the more Pico Pokemon. Darn it! Stop. I don't know why they didn't call more Pico the Galarian Pikachu. People call it. Alright, so we have a Bronzong, Milo, which is the grass type gym leader, Shuckle, Phantom, Bronzor, Toxel, baby Toxel. That thing evolves into toxicity, Dad. That evolves into toxicity. Applin the dragon, Galarian Dalamuka, Vulpix, Trevenant, one of my faves. Alright, so let's open our these two before we last one is always going to be Snorlax.
Okay.
I'm going to open my, you got to open yours. Are you going to open Zamazenta?
Which one's this?
Zamazenta. The other one is Zacian. They're really weird.
One of the dogs.
Shield dog and sword dog.
Is this the sword dog?
Shield.
This is the shield dog?
Yeah, because he has the shield around his neck. He has the sword because he has the sword in his mouth. Green.
Boo.
Dang it. Yeah, Phantom, Dad. This dude evolves into Trevenant.
Fire energy.
Because he is.
Alright. Drizzle.
Dad.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Evolution.
Evolution Essence. Or
Incense.
Incense.
Salazzle.
Salazzle.
Wooloo. Grookey.
Grookey. Sobble. Rhyhorn. Rosalia.
Percursion.
Percursion.
Pincursion. Orbeetle.
Orbeetle.
Right there. Alright. Alright, I'm opening my Zamazenta. Come on, cards are slippery. Hey, this is our sword and shield pack, by the way. If I didn't tell you. 3, 2, 1.
Getting whack packs.
1, 2, 3. To the front, getting rid of the fire type energy on the back. We haven't gotten a psychic. Oh, ghost type energy. Is there even a ghost type energy? I don't think there is. Alright, so we got a Seaking, Ordinary Rod, I don't believe you, Bead, Clobbopus, Wooloo, Sobble, Pincurchin, Blipbug, Cottony, Morpeko. I actually like Morpeko. Cottony, reverse. Same as Alright.
Sword dog. See what happens. See if we can get some fire back in this thing because it's been green.
I actually called my Pokemon in Sword and Shield Dog green. Maybe these two would have different, Dad. The next two, like my two. Green card. I think we're getting scammed. Go. Say hi to your camera. Yes, my dog is now famous. That is
Second.
type. Corviknight? Or is that Corviknight?
Corvisquire. Thwacky.
Thwacky, yes.
Pokemon Catcher.
Maractus. Mudbray. Pawniard. Scorbunny, yay, that's our starter. Nickit. Yamper. Corviknight. Dad, that's a reverse. Yes. Alright. Alright, my sword dog. You gonna sit there, Loki? And lay down right there? Okay. Watch if we grin. You wanna bet? Ooh! White and green. Here, you guys are the code. You guys want it. Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Getting rid of the psychic energy on the back. Rare candy. I can't believe rare candies look like this. But in the game Pokemon Go, they look like candy. Lucky Egg. Manatine. Krabby. Mincinu. Galarian Ponyta. Cottony. Scorbunny. Wooloo. Oh, Sableye V.
That's actually a good looking card.
Uh-huh.
Made his eyeballs look
Like gems.
diamonds.
Shiny.
That's a clean looking card.
Oh, we got 2 Garchomp coins.
Centering pretty solid.
We got 2
That's a
Garchomp
good looking
coins.
card.
2 Garchomp
That's a really good looking card. That's like
Seriously?
super center. That's nice.
Cody.
Alright.
Cody.
Another sword dog. See if I can get back on track with some fire here.
Get lit.
Need some good
Ew.
cards.
Alright. I blessed it with
We
the...
need to have a good birthday pack here. Greener.
I mean, we have gotten in... we just went with me and my friends. We opened a...
Ball toy.
Sandalit.
Sandalit. Ponyta.
To Mincinu. Sobble. Quillfish. Forgot to do the trick, Dad. Lapras. That's actually a pretty cool card. Energy. Galarian Stunfisk. Did you know Galarian Stunfisk shiny makes it look like the original?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like instead of green, it's
Hyper
yellow.
Potion. And Team Yell Grunt.
Oh, wait. Save Snorlax for the last.
I already did.
I know. I almost opened Snorlax. It's gonna be green. I knew it. Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Getting rid of the steel type at the back. Corvisquire. Great Ball. Potion. Cufant. Baltoy. Shinechow. Sizzlepede. Galarian Zigzagoon. Haunter. Oh, that is a ghost type energy.
Yeah, you're right.
And a Cameron.
Cool.
Did you know in the game, Dad, when Corn, this dude, he either eats a Barracuda from Sword and Shield or he eats a Pikachu. Like if he doesn't move, he'll either have a Pikachu in his mouth or a Barracuda. It's really funny.
The Snorlax Gigantamax.
The Snorlax gods. Please bless us. Give us like a rainbow rare VMAX. I don't think that's in the I don't think that's real. Oh, that's a cool card. Yay! Hopefully it's something. Hi. Look, you can camera. Hi, buddy. Look at Smokey.
Steel type.
Diglett.
Trio. Pokemon Center Lady.
Energy Retrieval.
Rhyhorn.
Yeah. Rookity. You know that one.
Krabby.
Grookie. Mudbray. Sizzlepede. Oh, is that a full art? That looks like it.
It's not. It's
Oh, it feels weirder. Why does it feel like it?
super. It's super glossy. Victini.
Victini. Did you? That's the Pokemon that's coming out in Pokemon Go, right?
Yep. The Pokemon Go Fest.
Yeah.
Because what is he? Is he mythical?
Mythical, yeah.
Pretty cool.
Oh, because at Pokemon Go Fest, they always have these challenges to either get Jirachi or Celebi.
It's like a super good looking card too. Really centered. It's a good looking card.
So far, we have actually gotten good centered cards.
We got some solid ones. Last pack. Make it work.
Pray to the Snorlax gods in the sky. Come on. Yes! Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Getting rid of the steel type. You got a lot of steel type. That's weird.
You've got, it seems like steel types are in the white packs.
Potion. Hitmonchan, as you can see in the background. Hitmonlee. Did you know with Hitmonchan, it was inspired by Jackie Chan?
Jackie Chan.
Yeah, and then Hitmonlee was inspired by Bruce Lee. Galarian Lanoon, Silly Cobra, Blipbug, Goldeen, Yamper, Scorpy, Bisharp, and Regirock.
Ooh.
Alright, that's pretty good. Oh my gosh. All energies. I'm rich in energies. It's actually a really cool card.
Pretty cool.
As we said,
Got a bunch of VMAXs. We
Yeah,
got
let's-
1, 2, 3.
let's sort them out between I'm gonna sort them out between VMAXs and like V's, between Surfing Pikachu, that one, and Hollow. Alright. Do you want to review these, Dad?
Nope, go ahead. You know their names. I don't know most.
T-Pain, Hollow, a Gallespod, Hollow, 2 Galarian Ponytas, Hollows, a Regirock V, Victini V, Sableye V, Zacian V, Zamazenta V, Mega Venusaur EX, and the big boy, Full Art Inteleon VMAX. So that's all for you guys. Well, we also have these, but they're not like good. They're Crozma, Mesprit, and Surfing Pikachu. That's technically it for you guys. Today was my birthday, and I also got Pokemon Tournament, and I'm super happy to play this. I'm so excited. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you watched all 24 minutes, as Loki is sitting down, almost 30 minutes. Subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and leave a like. See you guys later with more Pokemon videos. Bye!